So this is DEB mock. Why is that so thick? Paper 1 question 7 and it's 2019. Right, so from the first part we ended up with 5H, so 5 hours plus tips was €116.
Yeah.
And the other one we had 8 hours plus tips that were worth €15 more than the previous tips, and that came to €166.70. Right. So, would you have known it was a simultaneous equation?
No.
Any idea what makes it a simultaneous equation?
T.
No. What does the word simultaneous mean? Like if you were to, I don't know, use it in English sentence. No?
No.
Like, so you could say something like, I cooked the dinner and spoke on the phone simultaneously.
Oh, like at the same time?
Right, so it's doing 2 things at the same time, or at least 2 things at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay? That's where the reference or the link, I suppose, kind of stops with maths, but it's when you have 2 variables. Okay, so in these equations, we have to solve for H and T.
Yeah.
That's 2 variables.
Yeah.
Once you have 2 variables, it's a simultaneous equation.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's how I knew it was going to be simultaneous. So this one's fine. 5H plus T equals 116 is perfect in that kind of order. So you want to have letter, and then you want the number on the far side.
Yeah.
Okay, so look at this one. So I have the letter there, but I've also got a number here, and I don't want that. I want that on the far side. So what do I do with it?
Change sign.
Okay, so become minus 15. So then I would have 8H plus T equals, what's 166.70 minus 15? What you get?
151.70.
151.70. Now, that okay?
Yeah.
Right. Any idea what we do next?
Multiply a line by x minus 1.
Why?
To cancel the t.
Okay. So the first thing you need to do is cancel something.
Yeah.
To cancel something, they need to be like plus 2 minus 2. Or plus 6 minus 6. Or whatever. They have to be the same number with a different sign because that makes 0.
Yeah.
So here we have plus 1t and plus 1t.
Yeah.
So if I could make one of them minus, then I have plus 1t minus 1t, which is 0, which is what we want. Okay? So to make this a minus, I'd have to multiply by minus 1.
Yeah.
Right? And then that would make that a minus.
Yeah.
But you can't just do it to the one you want. You have to do it to the whole line.
Yeah.
So the 8H would also become a minus 8H.
Yeah.
And the 151.70 would also become a minus 151.70.
Yeah.
And then this would be gone.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So then you just do the sum that you're left with. So this is 5H take away 8H. What's that?
Minus 3H.
Good. And 116 take away 151.70.
Minus 35.70.
Okay. And then how would I get H?
Divide by 3.
3.
Minus 3.
Good. Because that'll take out the minus and the 3.
Yeah.
But if I divide here by minus 3?
Do it on the other side.
Do it on the other side. So what's that?
1190.
Right, so now we have worked out that H, what did H stand for?
Hours.
So her hourly rate is €11.90.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have to work out the tips that she made. So do you know how to do that? So we know her hourly rate is $11.90. So how do we work out the tips?
Multiply it by 5 and take away.
Okay, so yeah, you use the information we have already. So we know that 5 hours plus some tips were equal to €116.
Yeah.
And now we know that her hourly rate is $11.90.
Yeah.
So we can figure this out. So what is 5 hours at $11.90?
$59.50.
Good, $59.50. So $59.50 plus her tips made $116.
Yeah.
So what were her tips?
$56.50.
Yep.
Yeah.
So tips of €56.50. Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah.